Okay, for 107, they want to use factoring and the zero product property to solve each equation. So remember, the zero product property says if we multiply two things together, or three things, doesn't matter, and we get 0 as an answer, then one or all of those are 0, because the only way to get 0 as an answer is if one of them equals 0, right? So for A, I have x minus 4, and I'm multiplying that by 2x plus 1, and I'm getting 0. So to get 0, either this one, right, either this is 0 or this is 0, because we're multiplying them. So what I have is either x minus 4 is 0 or 2x plus 1 is 0. So this is x equals 4, this is 2x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1/2. So in this case, we've solved and we got negative 1/2 and 4 as solutions, right, using the zero product property. Now for B, let's do B, right? So I have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So, right, what times what is 6, added is 5, right? So 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is x plus 3 times x plus 2. So again, now the zero product property says that that or that is 0 because we're multiplying, right? So either x plus 3 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. So x equals negative 3 or x equals negative 2, right? So we have two solutions, and they're negative 3 and negative 2. The next one is C. Let's make some space. C. We have x times 2x minus 5 equals 0, right? So again, we're multiplying two things. We're multiplying x times 2x minus 5, and we're getting 0. So that means either x is 0 or 2x minus 5 is 0. So this is 2x equals 5, x equals 5/2, or x is 0. So we have 0 and 5/2 in our solution set. And the last one, D, right, we have x squared plus 4x equals 0. So I can factor an x out, right? X times x plus 4, right? There was an x in both those terms equals 0. So again, I'm multiplying x times x plus 4, and I'm getting 0. So that means either x is 0 or x plus 4 is 0. So x equals negative 4 or 0, negative 4 or 0. Right? Okay, that's 107.